everyone, this is Anna of CENTRIC Property. So today I want to show you something about my this Ecosphere water purifier system. It just arrived. I'm going to do an unboxing today. Okay, so let me show you the box first. Okay, so this is the box. Okay, so let me try to place you in a better spot now. Okay, I'm going to open up the box. I hope you can see the box. You see the box. Hello Alex. 你看 Oh my god. Okay, never mind. 东西多的。Okay, so 我 unbox 这个。这个包开。Okay. Okay. So this is the Ecosphere box. Okay, 这样看我比较瘦对吗 ？Because 那个 box 比我胖对吗？ Okay, so yeah, I think I can be a box model lah, huh? Okay, it makes me look slimmer. Okay, so now I'm gonna open it. Are you able to see it? I don't think so. Let me try to put it inside. Let's see. Yeah, 可以吗？ At least 看到一点。Okay, there's a user manual here, right? I did some comparison with other brands. I think this is quite affordable. Other brands will cost me like $2,000-3,000. This one is quite cheap and affordable for me. Okay, and I think it's easy to actually install even myself. Okay, so it says it has something like this. I will be sharing a video the next round, okay, on actually how it's going to be replaced. Okay, so New Skin actually has a video on this, how to replace this. Okay, whoa. Okay, I'm gonna show you what's going on inside the box. Okay, let me bring you here. Okay, so when I open up the box, this is what you see. Okay, there is this kit that allows me to fit onto, see, there's Ecosphere water purifier faucet adapter business toolkit. So it allows me to change it to, you see my this thing, yeah, my tap, so I can fix it to the tap right here. Okay, it needs a PowerPoint outlet, okay, to plug this thing on. So I'll be placing it here for time being. Okay, so now let me bring out this one. This is the filter set. Okay, it says 4 levels of filtration or something. Okay, so it's a 3-in-1. Okay, so you can see it's very slim. Okay, I'm gonna flip the camera around, then maybe you can see it's very slim, slimmer than me, this one. Oops. Okay, see, it's just so small and it's so light. Oops, it's so light. See, I can do pretend it's a weight and do my pumping. No, okay. Just a minute. Okay, so you see, it's really okay. So you see, it's really very lightweight. Okay, very lightweight. 没有重的，你看，这样的很轻，很轻的。Okay, very light. Okay, so it's just like that. Okay, and now this one. Okay, 这个我要小心了。This is the actual one that's coming out of the box. Right. Don't drop it. I think I dropped my key set or something. 哇，心很痛。Okay. Okay, so 这个也是很小诶，你看 ，see how sleek and slim it is. OK， 给你看它多 slim， 你看我比它大只，看到没有？我比它大只，看到没有？它比我的手胖一点啊，but 我手也不小只吧 ？OK， 它不会很大，你看 ，see how slim it is actually? Can you see? Okay, so this is going on the countertop, like next to the sink. Okay, next to my sink, so that I can fix it on. Okay, so that's it. 它三个诶，给你看它的那个。Okay, I'm going to show you the kit. Let me open up the kit, okay? This is the kit just now. So when you open up the box, there's only three items. Okay, so yeah. So this is the faucet for me to fix, and this is the tool for me to tighten it. Right. So 等一下I will have a happy time to try to figure out how to fix it on. It's quite easy from what I see from the video, right? And then about 1 year, about 12 months, I need to change this filtration system. This is about $240, 1 year. So actually quite cheap, huh? Because 我很懒惰 to make drinks, to boil the water and then top, and then then we are always asking like, how come we don't have enough boiled water, cool ones for the children? So 这样my children can just go straight to the tap and take out the purified water from the tap already because of this system. So I find that it's going to cut me a lot of time. Okay, and time is something I don't have a lot. Okay, I don't have a lot of time. Okay, I rather put my time to do something else elsewhere, not topping water all the time. Okay, 一天不要喝多少水. And actually I drink a lot of water as well. So and still not enough. It's still not enough. So 之前 right, previously I even bought this. See, I bought bottles and bottles of this. Okay, so I think it's good lah. 现在有一个 filtration system, then 我就比较方便咯。And okay, and then if I fix it to my tap, there's a button that I can choose whether I use the filtered water or the normal tap water to wash my dishes, right? So I don't really need to use filtered water to wash my dishes. Okay, I only want when I want the filtered water, I just press the button, the filtered water will come out. So it's pretty easy. I'm going to fix it, and then later today I'll show you the finished product of after I fix it in. Okay, 就是这样。Okay, thank you for watching, and if you're interested on this filtration system, feel free to PM me on this, and then you get your discount on it. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.